Alright guys, nandito ngayon yung pinaka-cheapest na DJ controller sa market ngayon. Ito yung Hercules DJ Controller Impulse 300. So, check natin. Actually, lightweight siya. No? Hindi naman siya ganun kagaang, hindi rin siya ganun kabigat. And then, so, pinaka-power cable niya is ito na rin. Isasaksak natin sa ating USB sa laptop. Okay? So, maganda yung ano niya. So, may okay. Nice. Alright, so mamaya i-check natin to sa ating check natin to mamaya sa ating setup kung talagang sakto siya. Alright.
And ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the loving mother of the groom. We have Mami Wilfreda Catalan. Let's welcome the parents of our bride. Let's give it up for Mami Malu Pamilacan, together with Daddy Julius Pamilacan. And then, mga naman natin, we have Janelle Lorraine and Jason Angelo. Everybody put your hands in the air. Some of them are shy type, not some of them, most of them are shy type. So we need to say, that's why our newlywed couple are selecting another sense of bida. And that is the best man in need of honor. Supposed to be, kailangan nilang salugin lahat ng pagkukulang ng mga nauna nating abay. Honored without further ado, let's meet our best man and need of honor, Wijay and Jilame. Tayo tayong lahat, tayo mga kaibigan, tayo po tayong lahat. At sa ganitong pagkakataon po, sana po pasalubungan natin ang malakas sa palakpakan ang pagpasok ng ating bagong kasal. Because ladies and gentlemen, this is always our greatest and privileges honor to enter this team for the very first time as husband and wife. So ladies and gentlemen, make some noise and let's all welcome our newlywed couple, Diljan and Mary Bernadette, to you, Mr. and Mrs. Catalan. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Gusto ko itoto na natin. Ladies and gentlemen, handa na ba lahat? Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Ladies and gentlemen! time, I would like to priority and of course embrace the wonderful moment of the parents of our newlywed couples. And therefore, inyo pong isasalaysay, ilalahad at ibibigay ang mga natatanging payo na para sa bagong kasal. Sa palagay ninyo, ikapupulutan nila ng aral.
Ang maipapayo ko lang sa bagong kasal.
Ano po?
Siyempre, naigaw na siyang pamilya.
Opo.
Meron na siyang ibang ngayon.
O, iibahin ko yung tanong, ano, di ba, sabi mo, lagi naman magkasama sa trabaho. Ano yung pinaka-most excited ka na may posibilidad na mangyari? Ayan, ano po?
Bigyan ako ng apo, hindi yung
Bigyan ng
aso.
apo. Salamat po.
Play ko ulit.
Alright, and this time, around ladies and gentlemen, papakilala ko rin po ang mga bumubuo ng ating mga kagalang-galang na mga magulang ng ating bagong kasal. And of course, I would like to express your gratitude, your thank you message to all the people who's been part of this wonderful wedding celebration together with our beloved couple. And of course, mga kaibigan, ako po ang yung energeticals na pilit ginagaya pero kailanman hindi makokopya at magagaya. My real name is Mr. Melvin Anthony Santos Flores. But this afternoon, you can call me Maria Monica Palomay Anturixi, Montemayor Castillo, Iria Roda Barbara Streisand, Sophia Arcangel de Dios Santos Flores. Ang minsan nyo na pong narinig ng ibang talas-tasa ng galing at talino, may uwi lamang ang 10 korona na Mayors Q&A Season 2 ng Kapamilya in Showtime! Kaya sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin wala ba? Ladies and gentlemen, we're beginning with our first pair. Let's give it up for Ninong June Ponsalan, Ninang Lucia. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Nandaan po ba si Ninang Lucia? Alright, now let's move on to Ninong Rodel and Ninang Lita. Ayan, Ninang Rodel and Ninang Lita. Wala rin po. Ayun, palakpakan pa rin po natin mga kaibigan. Ayan, alright. Now let's move on to our third one. Let's give it up for Ninong Edward and Ninang Jocelyn Rason. Alright, let's now ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our fourth pair. We got Ninong Gil Ponsalan and Ninang Jezebel Rivera. Ayan, and now ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Ninang Marites Reyes, escorted by Ninong Rodolfo Bravo. Ayan, wala bang, ayun, nakakalikot ko, wala pong pumapalakpak, palakpak naman tayo, ayan. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, we have Ninong Rodolfo Bravo and Marites Reyes nga po. Now we have Ninang Rosaline Mahinay and George Tonggia. Alright, now let's give How about you, baby boy? Oo. Kung ako iimbitahan mo sa iglesia, saan mo ko pa uupuin?
Sa pambabae po kasi gender discrimination is strong po and all sexuality are supposed to respect po. Thank you.
Coming the cute boy. Can you give me a hug? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, forward go. Once again, let's give it up for the team. Kalalakihan. Ayan, susasayo po. There's the 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mark Breeze. Mga talaga kayo, isa kayo ng galaw. Anyway, without further ado, I should invite everyone to please all stand. Tayo po ang lahat ng bisita natin. Ayan, tayo po. Meron ba si DJ na ano? Oh, alright. Now, without further ado, I would like to invite everyone to please all stand. And this is going to be the proper way for us to be able to welcome our couple as they enter the venue. Because, ladies and gentlemen, this is simply my life. And this is always my greatest and privileged honor to introduce to everybody for the very first time as husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, let's